Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your science class. We are on unit number 3, kinds of plants. Today we will going to read the last page of this unit. So students, open your book, page number 21. Today we will going to read how water travels inside a plant. Tree, shrubs and herbs have tubes in which take water from the roots to all parts of the plant. They have other tubes which take food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. Now I will show you the diagram from which we can understand more easily. Now you can see there's a plant and the blue arrows showing the water tube and the red arrow showing the food tube. So when you put the water into the soil, so from the roots water and minerals are absorbed by the roots, and now the water, when the roots absorb the water, they going up. You can see the arrow. So water and minerals move up the plant through they are carrying the water. On the other side, leaves make food. So when the leaves make food from the sunlight, they travels, food moves to the other part of the plant through the food carrying tubes. So there are tubes like in our body, there are also vessels which are carrying a blood. So plants are also having the tubes. So in both they carry water and some nutrients. So from one tube they carry water and from the other tube they carry the food. So the water they take it from the roots and send it through all over the plant, and from the other tube they carry the food, and they have the other tube which take food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. Now we will going to read about the unusual plants. So first of all we will read about touch me not. Touch me not is a plant which leaves fold up when you touch it. Now you can see this in the picture. When you touch that plant, this plant closes itself. So this is the reaction of the plant. It believes that physical reaction that plants show in response to the external factor. So when you touch it, it closes itself. So that's why this plant is called touch me not plant. The other one is pitcher plant, and the pitcher plant trapped insect in its pitcher. And most plants get nutrients that they need from soil, but pitcher plants also get nutrient by catching and digesting insects. So for this reason they also called the meat eating plant, because they eat insects. And the pitcher plants type is also the Venus flytrap, because Venus flytrap also catches insect, and it is the kind of the pitcher plant. The Venus flytrap is a plant that trap and eat insect. Now you can see this. They trap and eat insect. It's belong to the meat eating plant. Cactus. Now cactus leaves are like thorn, and cactus is usually you will found in the desert area. Have you seen the cactus? It is a very famous plant, a plant that grow where the soil is dry and rocky. Most usually it is in desert. A cactus does not have leaves like other plants have. A cactus have spines or thorns on it. And now like there are 1,000 types of cactus you can found in different colors, and like 2,000 different types of cactus found you can in the world. Now the other is unusual plant is the mushrooms. The mushrooms is not green, so it gets its food from the dead plant. As all of you know that the green plant make their own food, but mushroom is not green. So mushroom cannot make their own food. They take food from the dead plant, and mushrooms are a common form of fungus. They grow all over the world in woods or grassy area where there is plenty of moisture. And some kind of mushrooms are familiar food. We eat mushroom, but some mushrooms are poisonous. And mushroom shape is look like a umbrella consistent of a cap and a stalk. You can see this in the picture. There are so many types of mushrooms also. Now what is the uses of the plant? We use plant as a food. We eat different parts of the plants. We eat leaves of the plant as a spinach, cabbage, spinach, mint, coriander. These all leaves we eat. And stem. We eat potato. These are the stem. We eat sugar cane. We eat asparagus. We eat all the stems of the vegetable as a food. Roots. And root vegetable is radish, turnip, and these are the root vegetables. Onions, carrot, fruits and seed. This is the apple we eat, and from seeds we grow another apple tree. So we use plant as a food. So we eat all parts of the plants. We eat leaves also, we eat stem, we eat roots, we eat fruits. And the other uses of the plant is plant give us paper and wood. From the wood, from the you can see from the tree, from the trunk of the tree we make wood, and from the wood we make furniture, and we get the paper and many other things. Clothes are made from cotton fiber. So from the cotton plant, the cotton converted into the fiber, and from the fabric we convert into the cloth we wear. So what we wear is also come from the plant. Plants are used in medicine. So there are so many plants and herbs that use in medicine, that use in our tea. So plants are very used, like mint we use, the rosemary. There are so many herbs that we use in the medicine. I hope you have enjoyed this topic. Now you have to learn this topic. You have to read the unit number 3, kinds of a plant. I hope you understood all the points very well. Okay student, take care. Allah Hafiz.